Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make automatic bottle filling and capping machine using Arduino at home. The machine is very accurate and fast. This video is sponsored by NextPCB. They offer us 1 to 4 layer PCB prototype for free. So it means that you can order 10 pieces of 1 to 4 layer PCBs without any cost. To order your free PCBs, simply click here. On the next page, upload your PCB Gerber files. After uploading files, you can view them with the help of their online Gerber viewer. After that, you can change some more PCB parameters here, like PCB color and the thickness of PCB, and they support multiple payment and shipping methods, so you can choose any one according to your requirements, and after that you can place your order. So after a few days, I got our PCBs from NextPCB. Here is the box. This is word map on the top of the box. On the front side, you can see their web address, and on the bottom side, their logo with their web address. So now let me open the box, and then we will see our new PCBs. Okay, so here are our PCBs, nicely packed. Okay guys, so as you can see, the build quality is really good. I really like it. The finishing is very nice. So guys, here are all the components that are required to complete our control board circuit. First of all, here is Arduino NANO, some male and female header pins, A4988 stepper motor driver, 6 1 kilo ohm resistors, one 10 kilo ohm and one 220 ohm resistor, 12 volt DC relays, 2 LEDs, BC547 transistors, D882 transistor, a DC power jack, a 12 mm tactile switch, a 12 volt buzzer, 5 volt voltage regulator, 4 2-terminal blocks, a 220 microfarad capacitor, 1 N4007 diodes, and this is our PCB. So now I am going to solder all these components to our PCB. Here is my new soldering iron from banggood.com. Let me unbox it. It came with a small stand, and here is a cover. And here are some soldering bits for different kind of electronic components. And here is a bit of soldering wire. So let me power it on. So guys, this is power button. So now this is on. This is temperature decrease and this is temperature increase button. So the minimum is 180 degrees and the maximum is 480 degrees. So you can set it according to your requirements. So this soldering iron will automatically shut off after 15 minutes if you will not use it. So guys, I have successfully completed component soldering procedure. Now I will collect all the materials that are required to complete our filling and capping machine. Here are all the 3D printed parts that will be used in our machine. So here are 3 big plates. We will make bottle holding assembly with the help of these plates. This is the upper plate, the middle plate, and this is the lower plate. So we will join both of these plates with the help of these 2 spacers and some nut bolts. Here is a cap dispenser. So all the caps will be placed here, and this stopper will prevent the caps from falling down, and with the help of this knob we will fix the whole assembly to our machine. Here you can see the blue parts. We will make the capping assembly with the help of these parts, and this is the capping motor head. I extract this rubber part from a 50 ml syringe, so it will be placed here like this, and then this thing will be help us to close the bottle caps. This is the bearing holding assembly, and it will help us to fix the 8 mm shaft inside, and then all these plates will be fixed on that shaft. This is the bottle guide, so it will help to prevent the bottles from falling down from this assembly. And this is the stepper motor holding assembly. So guys, it took me around 4 days to design and print all of these parts. Here are all other materials that are required to complete our filling machine. So first of all, here are 2 linear sliding bearings for 8 mm shaft. Here is an IMA 17 stepper motor with this 20 teeth pulley. Here are some nut bolts for the entire machine. This is our LCD. Here is a spring, a 280 mm timing belt, 6 inches long 2 pieces of 8 mm shaft, and a 12 inches long piece of 8 mm shaft with this 60 teeth pulley. So here are 3 infrared sensors. This is a voltage step down converter. Here are 2 mounting brackets for these shafts, and this is a 12 volt DC gear motor. Here are 2 large pieces of wood. This is a 12 by 7 inches in size, and this is a 4 by 5 inches piece of wood. Here are 2 5 inches long and 1 9 inches long piece of wood. Here is a 20 ml medical syringe. Here is a pipe for the air pump, and this is a small air pump with this small air solenoid valve, and this is our 12 volt water pump. So now we will start making our machine. Now first of all, this piece will be connected here with the help of these screws. Now we will make the capping assembly. So these shafts will be connected here, and then this spring will go here, and these parts will be here, and then this syringe will go here like this, and then this part will go here. Like this, and now this part will be connected here, with the help of these screws. Like this. And now these parts will be connected here. And now this part will be connected here with the help of these nut bolts. Now this bearing assembly will go here like this. Now this stepper motor will be connected here with the help of this bracket. So now this spacer will go here like this, and then this part like this, and now this part like this. Now this timing belt will go here, and this part will go here like this. Now this piece will be connected here with the help of this screw. Now this part here with the help of this screw. And now this assembly here with the help of this knob. Now this motor will be connected here with the help of these screws. And this part will go here like this. Now this air pump will be connected here. And this solenoid valve here with the help of some hot glue. Now a piece of pipe will be connected from this point to this point. And another piece of pipe from this point to this point. These wires will be connected with motor wires in parallel connection like this. Here I have connected this bottle guide with the help of these wooden pieces on both sides. Here I have connected 3 sensors to the machine. This is the sensor 1. Here is sensor 2, and this is sensor 3. First sensor will be used to start the machine from the same position every time. Here I have made 2 white points. You can see here. This is the first one and the second one on the other side. This one. So these points will help to start the machine from same position every time. The second sensor will be used to detect the bottles in the holder. If there is no bottle in the holder, machine will automatically stop. Similarly, this third sensor will help to detect the caps on the bottles. So if there will no cap on the bottle, machine will automatically stop as well. Here I have connected a small holder for the water pipe, so it will hold the water pipe on the top of the bottle. Here I have connected a small arm, so this thing will help to release the filled bottles from the holder. Like this. Here I have connected a small piece of wood, so this piece will help to support the entire assembly when the capping motor push it downwards. Okay guys, so the physical structure of our machine is now complete. Now it's time to make all the wiring connections. The wiring connections are very simple and easy to do. So here, as you can see, the air pump and the solenoid valve wires will be connected at this point. The output of this point is 12 volt, so that's why I will use this 5 volt module to step down the voltages from 12 volt to 5 volt. Similarly, the capping motor wires will be connected here, the conveyor belt wires will be connected here, and the water pump wires will be connected here. You can see the polarity is mentioned on the PCB. Here you can see 3 points for the sensors. Sensor 1 wires will be connected here, sensor 2 wires will be connected here, and sensor 3 wires will be connected here. And the stepper motor wires will be connected here. You can see the red, green, yellow and blue marking on the PCB, and the LCD screen wires will be connected here. So I will be back just after making all these wiring connections. Okay guys, so all the wiring connections are now complete. Here is the main power on off button. And now it's time to burn the Arduino code. Here is Arduino code for our project. The code is very simple, consists of only a few lines. So you can find more detail about the code in video description. After burning the Arduino code, connect Arduino to the control board. And now our machine is ready to use. So here is the final setup of our machine. Here is our conveyor belt, which I made in one of my previous videos. I made these wire guides to keep the bottles in straight line. Now let me power it on and then I will show you how our machine is working. Let me tell you one important thing here. First of all, I was using this type of rubber here. But later I realized that this type of shape was not working properly. So then I decided to make this chamfered shape with the help of a small trimmer tool. Here I have attached a small metallic thing to push the caps on the bottles properly. Now we will put some caps in this cap holder. And some empty bottles on the conveyor belt. Now I am going to power on the machine and then it will start filling bottles. As you have seen that there was no more bottles on the conveyor, so the machine automatically stopped. And here are all the filled bottles. As you can see, there is no water leaking from the bottles. Now as you can see, there is no cap in the cap holder, so the machine will automatically stop and will give us a warning. So guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like this project, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.